is... Wait. I don't like this song.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Japan. It came in a new My Crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Kenko Foods and their healthy vegetable ramen. I don't know that it's vegetarian or not, but that's what we have today. We have 2 sachets, and a noodle block. So let's drop that in the boil, start the fire, and all that good jazz. Yeah, so what's going on? Not much around here. I'm attempting to make sun tea for the very first time. It's out there. It started out looking like pee, and now it looks like somebody with a serious bladder infection of some kind of... If that's pee at this point, you need to see a doctor. But, yeah, it's gotten darker and darker. Looks like it's been going for almost 2 hours now, so... yeah, we'll see how it is. It's this stuff. This is from a company called Hakubaku, and they've got a U.S. arm of their operation, and they send me all sorts of cool stuff. They send this and other kinds of tea. It's barley tea. It's not. There's no caffeine in it, but I suppose I could put some in it. I wonder if you can get just a jar of caffeine. I would be up for that, as long as it didn't make everything taste funky. But yeah, I put in 2 things of tea. I got a sun tea jug, I guess. I put a couple of tea bags in it and water and a bunch of honey from Canada. So we'll see how it goes. I've never done this before, and I figured it'd be kind of fun. But yeah, they also make this mochi pearl Japanese barley that I really love, and I use that with my stuff for my dinner almost every night. Need to get more of that stuff. And they also make ramen. They make a shoyu and tonkatsu that are absolutely wonderful. God, what else do they make? They make baby noodles. Noodles that are suitable for, like, exceedingly small children. Like, oh, you were just born? Have some noodles. I don't know if you can give them that young, but, you know. They're for the wee ones, and I guess they do really good in China. Chinese parents want to make sure their kids get into noodles really quick. So. I'm a big fan of noodles. I know you guys know that. If you didn't know that, then I don't know. What the? 22 seconds to go. I bought this shirt when I was in San Francisco. And I was in San Francisco the first days of 2010. The first time I actually met my wife in person before she was my wife. Pretty soon thereafter. We met in on the phone through an online dating service thing back in it was December 22nd, 2009, and started talking on the phone. Talked on the phone for a whole, God, what was it? The day before Christmas, we spoke on the phone for 14 hours straight. And it wasn't like we were just like sitting around. We were doing stuff that we had to get done, and just like having that happen while we were on the phone with each other. It was well, we just couldn't get enough of each other. And then she invited me to come down to San Francisco for New Year's. And so New Year's Eve, I got an air porter, and a lot of people were like, dude, you should be careful. You should be careful, dude. You just went through a horrible separation, divorce, dealy deal. You should be careful. You should be alone for a while. That was one that I was like, should I? Huh. But in fact, at that time, the whole before time evil was really evil. I actually had a counselor that I spoke to a little bit. Some vegetables in here. But anyway, she was like, well, very rarely do these online relationships work out. Well, this year was our 9th wedding anniversary. And next year will be our 10th. We have 2 wonderful children. But when I flew down there to hang out right after New Year's, we went to a bunch of places. One of which was San Francisco. Went to the Google campus in Mountain View. Nobody was even there. It was like on the weekend. But I was like, I'm a computer nerd, so especially historical computer stuff. So we went to like, I can't remember what it is, Palo Alto. And we went to Xerox Park. Nobody was there, you know, but went and saw where the graphical user interface was first designed. So, yep. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, let's give this stuff a taste. Shall we? I generally like these guys' noodle. It's quite good. They made one that was a brown rice noodle. I think it was called Genmai or Genmai. It was super good. Yeah, it tastes like a salty vegetable broth. It's not bad. If somebody said, do you have any salty vegetable brothy thing? I'd say yes, and I'd probably steer them towards that. It's not bad. Oh, very nice working with me today. Thank you very much. See, I thank the eggs when they cooperate. It's important to shower your food with praise when it works with you. Okay, we got some oil. Because I honestly really like this oil. And we got some this hachi shichimi, but I don't really know much about it. I'll throw some on here. And finish her off with some seeds. Alright. Let's see if I can get that. Okay. Let's get a different song going. This is too. Alright, well, cool. This is good stuff. Yeah. Alright. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and happiness forever. Have a good one and bye.